Good morning, everyone. We're going to do our calendar today. Let's do our rule song. Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. I want to show you this first. This says friendly fleas, number order. We're going to count and we're going to write the number. You can do this right on your computer if you don't have a printer. You can go up here. I picked a black marker here. And I'm going to use my mouse and try to draw or write the numbers that are missing, okay? So let's see this flea right here. It's 1, 2, what comes next? 3, right? So I'm going to try to draw my 3 as nicely as I can with the mouse. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's next. What number is this? 5, yep. 6, 7, good. I'm gonna write a 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's see here. 4 blank 6. So if you were counting 4, what's missing? 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Let's make a 5. Great. Let's go over here. 8, 9, 10. Good. It's okay if it's not perfect. It's hard to do on the computer. 8, 9, 10. Great. Let's go down here. Blank 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write a 2. All right. Let's go here. Blank 4, 5. Well, let's keep going. 3, right? 3 goes here. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3. Great. Let's look right here. Blank 9, 10. What comes before 9? 8, right? Good. And then if we look here, let's try this. 1, 2. We look at a number line and count 1, 2, 3, right? So right here, what number are we going to put? Right, we're going to put number 1 there, right? Let's try that. Awesome job. So we just filled in the missing numbers for our friendly flea page. Nice job. Great work, you guys. All right, now we can start off with calendar, okay? Calendar time. For calendar, we start with the days of the week. Let's get started. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Tuesday. What's today? Today is Wednesday. Good job. Today is Wednesday. Let's click on that. Great. Today is Wednesday. Let's do the months of the year. I'm going to grab my months poster so we kind of remember. All right, ready? We always start with what? We start with January, right? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Good. The month is called May, right? You guys know that by now. The month is May. Looks like this. On your screen, you can see May is in here, right here. M-A-Y, spells May. Good. All right. Now, it's time to count. It's kind of a bigger number today, because we're near the end of the month. Let's start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What comes next? 27, right? 27 looks like this. It's a 2 and a 7. Okay, let's see. Where's 27? Yes, I'm going to circle 27. Nice job looking. We did this yesterday. How many more days do we have in May? How many more days? 1, 2, 3, and then it comes here. 4. We have 4 more days in May. Great job, you guys. All right. The days of the week are all done. The months of the year are all done. We counted. Now we have to do our weather, okay? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Right now outside, woo, I don't even see any clouds. No clouds. I just see the sun. So the weather today is sunny. Where's sunny? Sunny is right here. Nice. And sunny looks like this, right? Let's color in sunny on my May weather graph. Oh my gosh. So many sunny days. It's nice to see. All right. Can't remember what I sang yesterday, but color in a sunny day, sunny day, sunny day, color in a sunny day, there I go. So I used yellow, and I colored my sunny day. How many sunny days have we had in May? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, 12 sunny days. And look, this one is super high, right? This has the most days. I'm going to have to put more on. Wow. That's so great. So the temperature today, right now, it's warm. I think it's 67 degrees. But it's going to get hot today. I think it's going to be in the 80s. That's pretty hot. Yesterday was hot. Today will be hot. Right now it's warm. All right. And the season, right? What are the 4 seasons? Let's start here. Tell me, what season is this? The leaves fall in fall or autumn, right? Snows in winter. The flowers grow in spring, and it's hot, and the leaves are green in the summertime. Great. The season is spring. Great job. All right. We did the flea activity. We did our calendar. Let's say the whole date together, okay? Today is Wednesday. What's the month? May. What was that number? 27th, 2020. The weather today is sunny. The temperature today is warm. It will be hot today. The season is spring. Great job, you guys. I hope you had fun with this calendar, and I'll see you later for a little activity, okay? Bye.